Hi friends, welcome to Adda 24/7. Today's special session is for a complete walkthrough for BFM. Complete walkthrough means we'll go through the whole topic, subject of BFM. What all are the modules? What all are the detailed subjects of the modules? How many marks does each module come for? Then what are the question patterns asked in this? So complete walkthrough. But after getting through this video, you'll be able to study in a directional manner, motives. Okay, so watch the video till the end. Let's start without wasting the time. Okay, firstly, know before starting where have you to go. Okay, so you have 4 subjects over here: ABM, BFM, ABFM and BRBL. So all the 4 subjects are compulsory. You have to give it at any cost and you have to clear it. Then you have electives. Electives means you have to choose one amongst these: rural, HR, IT, central banking and risk. Sure, again I am telling you, I have told this many times, again I am telling you the same. Choose that elective in which you are confident. Now you'll say, how will I know am I confident? I feel confident in rural also, I feel confident in risk also, I feel confident. Here, it's very simple. Test is very simple. That elective in which you have worked earlier, keep it very simple. At least some part. You might have worked for 6 months, you might have worked for 1 day, 1 month or something, or you might have studied it somewhere. Use that elective only. Don't select the elective on your wish. Means, I'll give you a simple example. Many of us say, I want to learn RBI, RBI is very good subject. I want to go into RBI. Not going to, I want to learn this at all. Or, I want to learn IT. IT is the happening thing in the world in banking. So, I want to learn IT. So, I'll take this elective of IT. I'll take this elective of central. Don't do that. Do you know anything about central banking? Do you know anything about IT? Nothing. Then don't do it. First, keep the logic simple. You have to clear your CAIIB. You don't have to get some extra knowledge which is not with you. Here, study, give the exam based on what you have. So the simple test is wherever you have worked, number 1, and number 2. Without studying, if you can get at least 20 marks in a paper, without studying, if you go blank, at least 20 marks if you get, then select that. That is the basic criteria. Okay, and these compulsory, you have to do it anyways. Okay, so let's start with the BFM. Before that, everyone download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting the premium study material, live classes, ebooks, test. You name it, you have it. Whatever you need for clearing JIB and CIB, you'll get it over here. Not only this, your promotion exams, those are also included in this app. Okay. So this BFM is divided into 4 modules: international banking, risk management, treasury management and balance sheet. Keep it very simple and plain. Okay, roughly these are the marks given. Now these marks are based on the experience. I've been taking this BFM since 2013. Yeah, 2013. More than almost 37 to 38 batches have passed. So I know almost 10 to 15,000 of the students who have passed through me. So the point over here is, this is based on the experience. I have seen this. Module A and B are the most important modules in BFM. International banking, risk management. C and D, they are partially dependent on B. Once you understand B clearly or correctly, C will be easy and D will be easy. So that's why the 20 marks are kept for this. It's not on my logic, okay? It's based on the experience and the last papers which I have seen, okay? So, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel over here. In this channel, you will be getting the latest updates on JIB and CIB. And number 2, all the free YouTube series on all the subjects of JIB and CIB. Subscribe, click on the bell icon. Module A. What are the subjects? See these subjects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you seeing these 5 subjects? So these 5. So these are not the only 5. There are others as well. 5. Then this. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 topics for module A. Okay. All these 10 topics. Which are these? exchange rates and forex business, liberalize LRS and other remittance facilities, correspondent banking and NRI accounts, documentary LCs, facilities to exporters and importers, external commercial borrowing and foreign investments, risk in foreign trade ECGC, role of Exim Bank, RBI, exchange control, FEMA, etc. International banking means IFSC, GIFT City, and technology in international banking. So all these topics, these are all included under module A. Out of these, I'll tell you, you have numericals for this chapter, module number 1, exchange rates and forex business. Then you have case studies for correspondent banking and NRI. Case studies in topic number 1, topic number 3. In fact, case study can be there in any one of these, but generally 1, 3 and 4 and 5. These are theory case studies. So roughly 3 case studies you get, 15 to 20 marks for 1 mark questions. Right? 3 case studies, so 15 marks over here. Here roughly 15 to 20 marks, depending on, sometimes 15, sometimes 20. All these are 1 mark questions. So that is about module A. Again go through the chapters. Okay, exchange rate, LRS, correspondent banking, LCs, facilities, ECB, risk in foreign trade, ECGC, Exim Bank, RBI, etc., IFSC, GIFT City, and technology. Okay, got the marks, got the exam pattern, got the subjects, got the topics, module B. Okay, again, not these only 15, now 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, not 15, go above, 16, 17, 18, so total 18. Okay, 11 to 18, so 8 chapters in this. Okay, so what are the chapters? Risk. Now this module B is totally based on risk and basic risk management framework, risk in banking business, risk regulation in banking industry, market risk, credit risk, operations risk, and integrated risk management, liquidity risk management, and Basel III. These are the topics, these are the chapters. And what are the case study types? Roughly 3 case studies again from here, 15 to 20 1 mark questions. Okay, 1 mark. So 3 case studies from here. Which topic? It can be any. Mainly they are asked from this market risk, this, and risk regulations. This Basel norms do come for you as a case study. Remember numericals. Now in module A also you will get many numericals. Out of these 3 case studies, 2 will be on numerical case studies. 2. Here also, out of these 3, 2 will be on numerical case studies. Only 1 will be theory somewhere. Or they might ask 2, 2, means 4, 4. 4 from B, 4 from A. Okay. So now this is about module B. Got it? Number of marks for case studies, number of marks for one-liners, number of chapters, chapter names. Clear? Move ahead. Okay, type yes. Keep it very simple and fast. Okay, module C, only this much, 19 to 25. I don't think so more. Yeah, it is there. Okay, last is lesson. No, that is D, correct. That's what I was thinking. Yeah, so only this much, 19 to 25. So 26 6 chapters, right? 3 plus 3 6 7 chapters, right? So 7 chapters. Introduction to treasury products, international equity and debt, funding and regulatory aspect, treasury risk management, derivative products, treasury and asset liability management. So case studies roughly 1 or 2 I will say. Okay, 1 or 2, generally 1, but it can happen 2 also. Completely it's theory topic. Yeah, one topic, one chapter of this is numerical, means one case study you get it from the numerical perspective over here. If they ask you one numerical over here, then one theory will be here from the remaining chapters. Then the questions will be reduced over here, because roughly 20 marks are kept over here. If this is 5 marks, then this is 15 marks. If this is 10 marks, then this is 10 marks. Okay. Now this time also you have to input the answers. Some questions you get it at. This is a separate pattern brought in, right? Input the answers using the virtual keyboard. Click on the save button over there, right? Module D, components of ALM, asset liability in banks, balance sheet and their management, capital adequacy, Basel norms, asset classification and provisioning norms, liquidity management, interest rate fund management, REROC and profit planning. Roughly 2 case studies you get it from your 10 to 15 1 mark questions. So roughly around 20 to 25 roughly. Okay. So these are the basic modules, these are the basic chapters, and these are the case study patterns. Now here you will get, out of these 2 case studies, you will definitely get 1 numerical case study. You can also get ratio analysis over here. Okay. You can also get EOQ, economic order quantity, over here. Okay. So that's why follow the classes. In classes we do take all the topics. There are 3 topics which are not there in your book given, but they are asked. EOQ, economic order quantity. Then second is this fixed cost and variable cost. Okay, these are the 2 main topics, and third is Altman Z score. These topics are not given in your books, but they are asked. So these are also covered in the classes. That's why I say join the classes ASAP. Well, look at the question pattern. Roughly 50 to 60 marks case studies, 5 marks each covering all the modules. So 50 to 60 means if you consider 50, then 10 case studies. If you consider 60, 12 case studies. 40 to 50 marks 1 mark questions, so 1 liners. Now these also contain numericals. Okay. So out of these, 5 to 10 questions will be without options to feed in the box. Without options means only question is given and you are asked some questions, some answer, some numerical. You have to put the answer, but no option is given. Just put the answer, click on save and follow the instructions. That's it. So that is basically the question pattern now. So hence, what have we covered in this this session right now? The modules, the chapters in the modules, the marking patterns in the modules, then the question patterns in the modules. That much is enough for your studies. Don't go in details over here. Take this as a base and start studying. Join the batch, Sankalp batch. In this batch we are taking all the 4 modules as well as other subjects as well. Also we are taking the numericals, case studies, whatever are asked. Join immediately. Just now started. Okay, join fast. Use the code that MP80 right now going on. Okay, I'll show you why to discuss only. I'll show you, because picture speaks the 1,000 words, isn't it? So similarly website speaks the 1,000 words. So let's go to the app. In fact, you can go through the app instead of going to the website, go to the app, download the app. Okay, click on JIB and CIB. Now click on CIB 23. See this November, CIB 23. Now you will see these batches. See, Sankalp, English or bilingual, anything you can join depending on your preference. I'll show you English. See this, click on this. You'll get the details, all the expert faculties, interactive classes, recorded videos, everything. You are having it over here. Go through the product highlights. Buy now. See this, MP80 code is already applied. Look at this. Okay, it already it is applied, so put it. If not given, directly put it. See this, MP80. Look at the code, 80% off. Use this code right now. Join today itself. This code won't remain long. Okay, so 23,999 reduces to 4,799. Use discount, isn't it? It's an investment for lifetime. Go for it. In fact, you can go for Mahapack also. I would always suggest you to go for Mahapack. In Mahapack, you are getting multiple batches per subject. Let me show you. See this. Go to JIB, CIB again on the front page. Go to Mahapack. Click on this CIB ka Mahapack. See this, CIB Mahapack. Okay. Click. You'll see the details over here. Again, go through the details. Let's look at the fees. See this, 80% off, 7367. Right now it's going on. MP80. Click on buy now. See this, it's already applied. MP80, 80% off. 36,837 reduces to 7367. What is remaining? 6 plus 6 months, 12 months validity. Huge discount, isn't it? And it's an investment for lifetime. Once you clear this, in how many months will you recover the 7367? Hardly what, 7-8 months? Remaining everything is yours. So join it immediately, isn't it? Chalo, bye from my side. Start this, take this as a base and start studying immediately. Exams are very near and join the batches. Bye.